Okay, you're good. It's recording.
Okay. Today we're going to use benchmarks 1/2 and 1 to estimate because some are different. So we got the problem 3/10 plus 4/10. So what benchmark is 3/10 closest to? Bryson.
1/2. I mean 1/2.
Does everybody agree with Bryson?
Yes.
What about 4/10? No. So we'll write 1/2. So what's 1/2 plus 1/2? Not Ellie. Or 1/2? Okay, so if we solve what's 3/10 plus 4/10? Is my eighths. 7/10. So is 7/10 close to 1? So what if we do, so everybody understands 3 plus 4 is 7, but do we change our denominator?
No.
So we keep it the same? Good job. What about we do 1 minus 4/6? What does that 1 go up to? Does it stay at 1, go down to 1/2?
Stay 1.
So stay at 1, okay. What about 4/6?
1/2.
You think 1/2? Does everybody agree with 1/2? So let's see. So what's 1 minus 1/2?
1/2.
1/2. So if we solve this all the way, what is 1 minus 4/6?
2/6 because if you do 4 plus 2 would equal 6, you minus that, and then there is your 2/6. That is your.
Come on. Good job. Kamara has on her paper, instead of having the 1, she changed the 1 to a fraction. So we have 6/6. 6/6 is 1 whole, correct? So now we know 6 minus 4 is?
2/6.
So 2/6. Would our estimate be different? Are they? They're different, correct? What's
Yes.
1/2 equal?
1/2 equals 1. Wait, no.
Similar.
1/2 equals 3/6.
So it's just a little bit different. But if you were using your benchmarks, would we go to 2/6? Would it go to 1/2 or to 1 whole?
1/2.
Good job. What about if we do this one? Miss Wong buys 3/8 pounds of spinach salad and 7/8 pounds of potato salad at the deli. How many total pounds of salad does Miss Wong have? Bryson, you want to read through it so we can underline our important information?
Yeah, Miss Wong buys 3/8 pounds of
Spinach.
spinach salad.
Stop right there.
3/8.
So we're going to underline. Oh, no.
Gotta go to the next one.
Now let's try. 3/8 pounds. Okay. Keep reading.
7/8 pounds of potato salad.
So we're going to underline 7/8, right?
How many total pounds of celery does Miss Wong buy?
So what are we trying to figure out?
The total.
Total. So what are we going to do to solve this problem? Bryson.
We're gonna do 3/8 plus 7/8 will equal. You want me to say it?
I want you guys to do it on your boards.
Is this right?
Yes, ma'am. Good job. Yes. I know someone will call if you want to come up. Okay, on a count of 3, I'm gonna see everybody's work. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Good job, Ellie. You want to come show us your answer? You come and show us what you did. Good job, Ellie. Says everybody got 10/8.
Yeah.
If we turn it into a mixed number, So how do we do that? You can do them both.
8 goes 1 time into 10.
Yes, ma'am.
And then the leftovers is 2, so it's 2. 1 and 2.
Good job. So if we were using our benchmark numbers to estimate, what would 3/8 be? Would it be 1/2 or 1? 1/2? So we could put 1/2 plus, now 7/8 is gonna be 1/2 or 1 whole?
1 whole.
So 1 whole. So what's 1/2 plus 1 whole?
1 and 1/2.
1 and 1/2. Is that, are they close?
Yes.
Now, is our actual answer less than or greater than 1 and 1/2?
Less than.
Guys are doing a great job.
If it was equal to, it would be 4/8. Because it would be short.
Exactly. So if we were to use a tape diagram for this one, let's say it's not perfect. Here, we would put like 3/8 right there, right? Because that's what information we know. What other information do we know? Camilla,
7/8.
so this could be 7/8. But we don't know our whole. So we're just gonna put it there because we're like, we don't know our whole. So we solved it. What was our whole number? Bryson?
10/8, because 3 plus 7 equals 8, and give you your denominator.
Yes, sir. So does that, everybody's got that?
Yeah.
We understand 3 plus 7 is 10, and we could leave it as our improper fraction or change it into a mixed number. Yep, see, up there, mixed number, we have a whole number, and then we have our fraction. Oh, we're doing good. Finally, you want to push it arrow key so we can get to the next one? Okay. Who wants to read this one for me? Awesome, go for it.
David walks his dog 9 miles on Saturday and 8 miles on Sunday. How far does he walk his dog altogether over the 2 days?
So who wants to read it again to do our reading pause? Ayala, go for it. 9/10 Saturday. So pause for a minute. So what's important in that one? 9/10. Okay, go ahead, Niall. And how much on Sunday? 8/10. So we're gonna underline that. Now what's your question, Niall?
How far did he walk his dog
All. All together. So what should we underline in the last sentence?
altogether?
All together. So what does that mean we're gonna be doing? Kamar, adding? So what numbers are we adding? 9/10 and what? 8/10? Yes, ma'am. Okay. On your board, do you guys have, everybody have an answer?
Yes.
No, you're still working on it? I kind of want to see your answers. 1, 2, 3. Yes. So 9 plus 8 is what?
9 plus 8 is 17.
17?
And then you keep your denominator.
Why do we keep our denominator?
Well, because you're not changing the denominator, only if you're not adding a different denominator.
Because we have like,
And then you're adding the numerator.
we're just adding the number, exactly. But if we have an improper fraction, can we put it into a mixed number?
Yes.
It's nice, how do we do that?
1 and 3.
So how do we get that? 10 goes into what, 17? One time, and how many do we have left over?
7.
Good job. Now, could we check that to make sure we still get that? How would we do that, Jocelyn? 10 times 1,
1 is 10.
and then what do we do? Add our 7, we get 17? We have 17 tenths. So is that the same?
Yes.
Good job. Now, we're gonna do our estimation. 9 tenths. Is that round up to 1 or are we gonna move it up to 1/2? Camilla.
1.
So we'll do 1. What about 8 tenths? Bryson.
1/2 because 8 is closer to 1/2, and then the number that it would be for 1/2, it would be 5 tenths. So it would be 1 whole. So 1 plus 1 would equal 2.
And our answer was what, 1 7/10? So 1 7/10 would go up to 2, correct? Good job. You want me to next one? Okay. Now we have blanks. Who wants to read it? Bryson, go for it.
Let's see.
You want to move so you can see?
There is blank of a pan of brownies in the kitchen. Amy and her friends eat blank of the pan of brownies. What fraction of the pan of brownies is left?
So, do we know, what information do we know?
We know that there's a pan of brownies in the kitchen.
So we know
And
there's a pan of brownies, okay.
and Amy's friends ate some of it.
So we're gonna say Miss Polly and her friend, they don't.
It says what fraction is left on the brownies?
So, we don't know what numbers we're using, right? So if we have a pan of brownies, how many brownies are we gonna have?
8.
8, we say 8?
Yeah.
So are we gonna have a full pan of brownies?
Yes. Yes.
So we're gonna start out with what?
8 8 1 whole.
8 8
1 whole.
equals 1 whole. Okay. How much do the friends eat?
6 8.
6 8, yeah, because I'm gonna eat a lot of brownies. I love brownies. So, what are we trying to figure out now? Camilla,
How many are left?
so how many are left? So we know, subtract.
So 8.
So let's put our subtraction sign. We know we're subtracting. What fractions are we subtracting? Jocelyn.
8 8 minus 6
So 8 eighths minus 6 eighths. Okay. Got it. Does everybody have an answer?
Yes.
Okay, Naomi, what did you get? Want to try my board? Good job. 2 eighths. Does everybody agree with Naomi? So we got,
And if you rounded it, it'll be close to 0.
so we're saying 1, so 8 eighths is 1. We know that because it's a whole. Minus, and we said 6 eighths goes up to 1 equals 0. Yes. What if we did, we said, okay, we're gonna use 1/2. If we weren't using 0, we were just using 1/2 and 1. Could we put that as 1/2? Maybe? If we were just using 1/2 and 1, we could say maybe 1/2, and then what would the answer be? 1/2. But I agree, it'd be easy to do, because it is close to 1. I agree. Y'all are doing really good with doing the estimating. Oh, they use different numbers. So if we use 11 twelfths and 7 twelfths, let's do that one on my board. Yes, ma'am.
Wasn't that the one that we did to do yesterday?
So if we did 11 twelfths, and then they ate 7 twelfths. On your board, let's work it out on our board. I'll give you guys a couple minutes to work it out. When you're ready, give me a thumbs up. Because they showed you how you could solve it. We know we have 11 twelfths, and they ate 7 twelfths of them.